Hello, you probably already know this website, but at the same time you've probably never delved deeper into that, Polkadot Wiki. Let me show you all the alpha Polkadot Wiki has to offer, you will be surprised. So Polkadot Wiki is the official and most extensive resource of information on Polkadot, created and maintained by Web3 Foundation. The reason I'm mentioning Polkadot Wiki is that I've always found a helpful tutorial and solution for any issue I've come across in Polkadot, be it staking, existential deposit on an account, or just recently I needed to set my Polkadot on-chain identity, and again I found a helpful detailed article on how to do that. Most of the pages here are regularly updated with the latest information, which means you always found up-to-date step-by-step guide on whatever you need to do in Polkadot. For example, setting an on-chain identity to your Polkadot account, you will find instructions how to do that under Learn, Basics, Accounts, Account Identity, and this article will guide you. Account Identity feature allows you to add to your Polkadot account personal information like display name, website, email, Twitter or Element handle, and then ask for verification of this information. Once your Polkadot on-chain identity is verified, you will get this green check mark next to your on-chain identity, meaning your contact information have been verified. Polkadot Wiki has four main sections: General, Learn, Build and Maintain. Maintain is for validators, Build for developers, so let's go through General and Learn sections. General section contains information for newcomers to Web3 space and Polkadot, many different sections here and all nicely updated. For instance, Polkadot Vision and this Polkadot 1.0 article already reflects the Polkadot 2.0 vision presented by Dr. Gavin Wood at Decoded. So the page contains all the latest info on the completion of Polkadot 1.0, also expands on Polkadot's resilience and Polkadot's block space. Check out my video about block space in the top right. There is also the section dedicated to all ecosystem wallets, third-party wallets and extensions like Talisman, Nova, Subwallet. Here is how to use Polkadot application on your ledger, and also a guide on Polkadot Vault, formerly Parity Signer, which is an air-gapped cold storage for your private keys developed by Parity. You can watch my tutorial on Polkadot Vault in the top right. Two other sections worth mentioning are FAQs and glossary. For non-technical, rather general questions, you will need to click this link, and here is the list with answers to all frequent questions. And the glossary section explains all blockchain and Polkadot related terms you might think of: consensus, proof of stake, or substrate. Simply all is here explained. Moving on to Learn section, which is divided into Basics, Advanced Architecture, Polkadot Comparisons and a few more. Basics section is composed of accounts, transactions, token and assets, and a very interesting section is Components, explaining Polkadot's Open Graph, on-chain treasury, consensus mechanism and fork-less runtime upgrades. And this staking section will guide you on how to join a nomination pool with your DOT or KSM using staking dashboard. Back to Learn section and jumping into advanced topics, which contains cryptography used on Polkadot. This is interesting read that will reinforce the conviction that blockchain and specifically Polkadot is a revolutionary piece of technology which simply isn't going away. Under Architecture section you can read about XCM, about the role of validators, collators and nominators in the ecosystem, and about bridges that make the Polkadot ecosystem compatible with external blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. I also found very interesting this Polkadot Comparisons section, which compares Polkadot to other major ecosystems, Ethereum, Cosmos and Avalanche, and also to rollups, which are Layer 2's scaling solutions. I also want to show that search function up here is really helpful. Recently I needed to back up all my Polkadot accounts with a JSON backup file, so I exported a JSON file for each of my account so that I don't have to take out my seed phrase in case I needed to restore my accounts on another device. Look, I enter JSON and get all these results. To learn how to export your JSON backup files using Polkadot.js extension, click this first link, and this video will guide you on that. And if you need guidance on staking and how to join a nomination pool using Staking Dashboard, type in staking, click Polkadot Staking Dashboard, and here is all the info you need. Given a really extensive amount of information on Polkadot Wiki, when searching a specific topic, sometimes you will need to type in your query in a slightly different way to get the results you need, but remember, information you are looking for is always here. Overall, I'm really impressed by the scale of information and knowledge Polkadot Wiki provides, so every time you get stuck on something, assets transfers, security of your coins or staking, chances are you are doing something wrong, as has always been the case for me. Polkadot Wiki will help you. Apart from that, Polkadot Wiki is a great starting point if you want to educate yourself more about Polkadot. As always, thanks for watching guys, see you next time.